Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Jamel. Today I will be sharing with you the notes in playing Being Glorified. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that every time I upload new videos, you will be notified. And if you like this video tutorial, please don't hesitate to share this to your friends out there so that they will also learn what you have learned. So let's get started. So the song Being Glorified is in the key of F. It is made up of 5 notes, namely A, the first note, B flat, C, or this is second octave Do, F or Fa, and the last one is G, or this is So. So those are the 5 notes that compose the music sheet Being Glorified, or the song Being Glorified. So the song Being Glorified is actually made up of 3 phrases. So let's play the first phrase. And now the second phrase. And the third phrase is actually the ending of the song. So those are the 3 phrases of the song. Now let's play the song again, and this time with accompaniment. Okay, that's it everyone. So that's the song Being Glorified. If you like this video tutorial, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the like button and also the notification bell so that every time I upload new videos, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in my new videos. Bye!